In a developing story, Bixby Public Schools Superintendent Rob Miller has filed a lawsuit against State Superintendent Ryan Walters.
This is in response to the negative statements Walters has made about Miller during a news conference last month.
Fox 23's Paris Rain is live after talking to Miller's attorney about the lawsuit.
Miller's attorney says after the false statements made by State Superintendent Ryan Walters, his client's reputation is on the line. With this lawsuit, they hope to not only clear Miller's name, but they've asked for thousands of dollars plus punitive damages.
Just because you're an elected official and a public figure doesn't give you the right to say malicious, hurtful, false statements against anyone.
That's Michael Barquette, Bixby Superintendent Rob Miller's attorney. Thursday, he filed a lawsuit against State Superintendent Ryan Walters over comments he made on July 31st after Miller questioned a delay in Title I funding estimates.
He's a liar. I mean, he's really a true embarrassment. He knows every year when he gets Title I funds in, we're dealing with all kinds of financial problems with his district that we're having to address right now. So, you know, Rob's a clown and a liar, and so he knows that.
Fox 23 dug into Bixby Public Schools' most recent financial reports and found no evidence of wrongdoing. However, Barquette says the statements still put a dent in Miller's reputation. In response, he felt the best form of action was a defamation lawsuit against Walters.
Has decided to take a stand against this bully in the court of law.
Barquette says a lawsuit might be the only way to stop Walters from making negative statements about Miller.
We've seen in the past that Mr. Walters doesn't take mere suggestions to stop calling people names and making outrageous statements. Sometimes, and in this case, I think it's going to take a lawsuit to do so, and that's the goal.
We reached out to Ryan Walters' office about this lawsuit. His communications director, Dan Isett, sent us a statement that says, in quote, "No one is surprised that Miller would abuse the legal system by filing a frivolous lawsuit after trying for days to defame Superintendent Walters in the media. This lawsuit is a political stunt by a man with a vendetta, not a legal case." Even though the lawsuit is asking for $75,000 plus punitive damages, Barquette says Miller is more worried about his name and clearing it. I'm reading through that lawsuit and put together the important details for Fox 23 News at 10. Live in the newsroom covering news that matters, I'm Paris Rain, Fox 23 News.